So today we'll be making mutton korma. For that I've got sliced onions ready, mutton marinated with one big lime, and some sliced ginger garlic, green chillies and curry leaves. So I've taken a kadai and I'll add oil to it. After that I'll add my sliced ginger garlic, some chopped chillies and curry leaves to it. So I'll mix it. We'll also add red dry chillies and mix it. After a few minutes, we'll add our onions. So we'll mix it. So after onions are golden brown, we'll add our mutton and mix it. Then we'll have to add all our masalas. So I'm adding haldi powder, dhaniya powder, garam masala, lastly chilli powder, and I'll have to mix it. So we'll add water to it and we'll have to cook this for about at least 25 to 30 minutes. So we'll add salt to taste and leave it to cook. As you all can see, our mutton korma is almost ready and I'm going to brown it now. I'll brown it for about 5 minutes. So keep on mixing it. I'm adding lemon juice to it. So this is the main thing in mutton korma. It just enhances the flavors and gives a very nice taste. So please don't skip this step. We'll mix it again. Lastly, we'll garnish our mutton korma with pudina leaves and mix it. So our mutton korma looks delicious and we are finally done with making it. Guys, if you all like my video, do like and subscribe and don't forget to share. Thank you.